a couple miles north of Hector. I was over at the Bayou Bluff recreation area, checking it out, see if it was a good place to go camping. Now I'm heading back south down Highway 27, I think it is. And I saw on Google Maps a road called White Oak Mountain Road. And a few miles down that road is White Oak Mountain Scenic Overlook. So I'm gonna see if I can find that road. Google Maps was acting a little bit weird on me because I don't have a signal out here. White Oak Mountain Road should be on the left. Is this it? Morehouse. Oh no. That might have been it. Alright, here's Deer Creek, and then that's the road right past it. And so far, looks like it's going to be paved. It might turn to gravel here in a minute. We shall see. Can't get there from here. You gotta go back the other way. Entering local vehicle and stay on designated motorway. Ah, pavement ends. Alright, let's go to motorcycle, ABS, off-road. Here we go. We're going off-road. This is not too bad at all. This is really nice, actually. Whoa, switchbacks here. Ooh, oh my goodness, I almost bit it there. Did a little dab. What will we find at the Scenic Overlook? Found a bunch of cut down trees. Maybe I should be standing. I've got more weight over the front wheel. It feels like I have a little bit more control over it. Of course, I don't have as much weight over the back wheel now. Somehow that seems okay. Long way down. Surely that wasn't the Scenic Overlook. Stop for a second. No, not quite there yet. I think this is it. Alright, well I think it's time to head back. Let's see if I can do this U-turn. I put my foot down, I cheated. Woodland system restoration. Throughout history, fire has played a significant role in shaping the plant and animal communities of the Ozark Highlands. Native Americans and early settlers used fire for a variety of purposes, shaping and maintaining park-like oak, hickory, and pine woodlands with a rich mix of wildflowers and grasses. The Big Piney Ranger District and many partners have embarked upon a large-scale, long-term project to restore the fire-adapted ecosystems of the Ozark National Forest on 6 areas across the district. This woodland restoration project will increase plant and animal diversity and ecosystem health. These goals will be reached by the use of thinning and prescribed burning. This project is part of the USDA Collaborative Forest Landscape Restoration Program, CFLR, that encourages the collaborative science-based ecosystem restoration of priority forest landscapes. Decades of fire suppression result in dense forest with 300 to 1,000 trees per acre. Hazardous fuels accumulate and trees are vulnerable to drought, catastrophic wildland fires, and insect attacks. Prescribed burning starts the restoration process by opening the woods, allowing native plant and animal community recovery, and removing hazardous fuels. Mechanical thinning, including timber sales, firewood cutting, and non-commercial methods, allow more sunlight to reach the forest floor. This increases grasses, wildflowers, and improves forest health. Over time, hazardous fuels will be reduced and ecosystem health will improve. These species-rich oak and pine woodland ecosystems can be maintained with periodic prescribed burning. Now we know. Well, I sure do appreciate you riding along with me today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you like, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment. That'll let me know what you think. Anyways, I really appreciate it. Until next time, ride safe.